All right, guys, so this is a 2008 Subaru Legacy, and we are changing the PCV valve, which is located right there. This is also they're called the rattle valve. And this one is a little. Let me. You can hear it, but it's kind of slow. You can probably clean it, but I went to Subaru and I picked up this one for like 24 bucks, $24.40. There's a couple of things that you got to remove to get in there. You got to take the two 10mm over here, release this hose right there from over here, and release this hose from the other side. There is the the duct work that goes from here to there, which is this one right here. You just got to loosen. There's two clamps right here with the flathead. It's a 19mm. This PCV valve. I found it easier for you to remove the distribution. I think this is the coil actually. I just marked it with the Sharpie, just for me, which one is the top, which one is the bottom. This is not cylinder. I just marked it, which one is the bottom, which one is the top. And these are 10mm, 3 bolts, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3 right there, just to get it out of the way. That way you get to get a straight shot at this PCV valve. I got some of this tape right here. I forgot, like plumber's tape or whatever it is. That put a little bit of that right here and thread it back. And the hose that goes from this PCV valve is from here to there, which is this little hose right here, goes like that. So pretty simple. After you do that, you put that hose back, and then you just put these three 10mm bolt back. You put all your connections for your wires, for your spark plug wires back. Put this back in place. That back in place with the 10mm. Make sure you screw that one down. Put your duct work back, and there's 2 hoses, one on each side, and you should be good. Thanks, guys. This thing will save your engine, I heard. Rattle, rattle, rattle.